It's giving glam. It's giving that girl. It's giving human hair dupe. Outre did not come to play with us yet again with this new unit from the Perfect Hairline. So if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So I have another one from the Outre. I'm gonna start saying that correctly. The Outre Perfect Hairline collection, and this is Etienne. This name, I mean, you know, it's got the cap construction it usually got, so I ain't even got to tell y'all. But this name, y'all, I tried to look up different videos to see how everyone else was saying it because I wasn't sure, and it looks like ain't nobody sure on how to say it. So say it how you want to say it. I'm rolling with Etienne. So, anyways, I'm using my Nika P Slay in the caramel color to tint the lace because it is transparent lace, and I love this stuff so much. I found it a little bit easier to just apply the tint on my forehead when I do it to get the right matchup, because sometimes I've noticed I can use a little too much and sometimes I've used a little too, well, little. So that's why I decided to apply it on my forehead so I could get it just right, and that helps a lot. Plus it helped me to already like train the lace to lay down a little bit. So I'm cutting jagged. I lost my hair scissors, y'all, so I'm using the big scissors once again. But y'all see how that is already matching up to my skin. I love mousse lace tint. I will not be going back to any other type of lace tint. It's got to be watery based for me. I say this all the time, but it's got to be watery based because that just does it for me. Was considering going glueless, but the way I think I would have needed to take the elastic band out for me to feel comfortable with the glueless, because the ear sides, like the tab areas, were not laying down. And I thought maybe since I already had the mousse on it and it's kind of wet once I blow dried it, I would be able to do it, but I still wasn't the most comfortable with doing it totally glueless. I like my wigs to be secured because it kind of slides. So I did go ahead and secure it down, but I think you could get away with glueless. I personally, though, wouldn't want to do it that way. My Ebon Wonder Lace Bond Spray, you can find that in my Amazon store if you want to pick some up, and any of the types that they have. I love this stuff so much. It lays without residue and you don't have to use too much. I ain't even got, listen, I done talked about this. You already know. So if you want to pick some up, if you ain't got none or you don't want to run to the store, it's in my Amazon store so you can have it delivered straight to you. Cap size on this one is a great fit. I felt like this fit me really good ear to ear without any issues or tugging or pulling or anything. I mean, you see me adjusting it here, but that doesn't have anything to do with the size. That was more so about getting the wig laying flat. So definitely big head friendly in my opinion, because I still had room with this unit. I don't know about low hairline friendly though. You might have to adjust the wig or, you know, pluck some hair out to make it match. But y'all, look at this. Gorgeous. Oh my God, I love the color. I have the caramel chocolate color. Excuse me, it's the chocolate caramel color. I said it backwards, but y'all see it. Listen, it's one of the stock card colors and it is so pretty. I absolutely love this color on me, and it goes with the chocolate shirt. It's a look. It is a look. It's a look. It does tangle up a little bit. You see me brushing through it, but it's not bad. It's pretty average, I would say, for the length and the style that it is. I did take my hot comb on a very low heat, like 5. The hot comb is also in my Amazon store if you want to pick one up. But I have it on like 5, and I'm just using that to help me set the hair. I decided to roll with a side part because, I mean, you see her. It kind of set on its own in the side part, and it just looks really good with the side part. So that's what I rolled with. I'm so excited. I have my elastic band on, if you didn't peep, to help me lay the wig all the way down. I feel like I tried to do it without the elastic band with another wig to see if I could just do it with a blow dryer, and nah, the elastic band matters to me. So anyways, after I was done letting the wig set and melt down into my skin, I went over it with some powder foundation, which is L'Oreal True Match, and I just tinted up my forehead one and also just the lace to make sure it was all on the same tone. I did also decide I was going to add some baby hair. I never know if I'm going to do baby hair or not. It's always like once I get to this point, I decide whether or not I'm feeling baby hair or not. And I was feeling it for this one, just on the one side so I could tuck it behind my ear if I wanted to. And then I forgot to mention, y'all, I did pluck this unit off camera. So if you want the hairline to look like this, you do need to pluck. It does not come exactly this way. I did also decide I was going to add some baby hair. I never know if I'm going to do baby hair or not. It's always like once I get to this point, I decide whether or not I'm feeling baby hair or not. And I was feeling it for this one, just on the one side so I could tuck it behind my ear if I wanted to. And then I forgot to mention, y'all, I did pluck this unit off camera. So if you want the hairline to look like this, you do need to pluck. It does not come exactly this way. Am happy to say that this hair, like the fibers of it, took really well to me only using foam. And I'm happy about that because sometimes synthetic fibers, at least for me, don't always take well to using foam. Sometimes I got to go in with like some got to be in the yellow or the black tube. Sometimes I have to do that for this, or sometimes I just have to go in with something stronger like edge control. The foam did just fine with these hairs, so I was really happy about that. I took some more pressed powder and put it into my part to cover up my cap and make it look seamless like a scalp. Here's the final result. Outre Etienne is so gorgeous. She's the perfect human hair dupe. A little bit on the shinier, silkier side, just a tad, but I don't think it's too bad. I think she looks amazing. Highly recommend picking her up if you like what you see. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Link will be down in the description if you want to pick her up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. You don't put up a fight. You don't